carburetor. Now I am just going to take the shroud off and oil the ratchet with that sleeve. Hot bolt 762, just like everything. All the head bolts are a half inch. On any engine, usually they're just a half inch. Unless you're working on a car engine. Okay. Now I'm going to take off my little kill switch governor thing. And this I'm just going to turn off to the side. That's not even hooked up. This I'm just going to turn. Now I can just set that back in there. Now I need my wrench here. Then put the bolt down here. I don't think I've ever taken the shroud off of this thing. Okay, we need brackets for the bottom one. Let me get my bracket set. My hands getting bracket. Ooh, don't take that off. But probably that. Make sure you go the right way. Well, I just got one more bolt hit to you, but I can't hit it. That blows. Okay, so somehow all I need is an extension. Okay. Extension. Almost got it. Be patient. It's kind of a hard bolt hit because this one has that complicated set of linkages down on this side. Okay, got it. Now your shroud is put right on. Just grab it by the pull starter and pull it. Should just pull off. Sometimes those relatively clean. This one's got the gears on it for a starter. Show you that. Is that odd, huh? Odd, isn't it? Oh, there you can see it. Yeah, that's for a starter. Is that odd? That's weird. Okay. Put this back on the tripod. Oh, oil in the ratchet. I just thought this would be fun. I'm just going to turn it straight into the book. Sorry about the noise. If I use the light or the camera on that, I'm just worth it. Oh yeah, seems to be moved up now. Okay, now put it back on. That's odd that this one has gears for the starter. I've never seen that. Put this bolt back in. Now I can hear the noise from that flipping camera all the way up here. Just $30 camera though. Put this bolt back in. Oh, check my time. Okay. There'll be another part to this video. Okay? See ya, YouTubers.